The United States is a socialist country. It's the idea that top-down management with an Olympian view knows better than the market forces. If you read Adam Smith's brilliant 1776 work called The Wealth of Nations, the free market can much more efficiently organize the economy of a nation. The market will respond to a scarcity, and we have this scarcity because of overseas military commitments. We have this scarcity because unreasonable environmental regulations have prevented us from drilling oil in Alaska, in North Dakota, all throughout the Gulf Coast regions. We have this scarcity because the American people have been led down the primrose path of environmentalism that basically is going to choke off our own domestic oil development, and we are going to pay for it at the gas pump. Understanding of the 10th Amendment and the limited government philosophy of the Constitution has long ago been broken, and we need to restore that, and that's why I think we need a Constitution revolution in this country to rediscover the genius of limited government.
This liberal will be all about socializing.
Maybe they'd be willing to have these refineries owned publicly.
Und ich weiß,
socialism is the opposite direction we need to go. These problems did not start overnight, and the solutions will not be evident overnight, but we must ask the correct questions, and when we do have the correct answers put into place, we'll have to expect a gradual but steady alleviation of the problems in food and fuel.